So in this short video, we're going to see how to set up our Google Cloud project in order for us to be able to send push notifications from our backend. So let's say we are here in Google Cloud on our console. We've selected our project, and then we should first enable the respective APIs. So I'm going to APIs and services. And now I'm going to click on Enable APIs and Services. Once I'm here, I'm going to look for cloud messaging. And I'm going to enable cloud messaging here. So in my case, my API is enabled, but this should say in your case enable, and you have to click on enable and you're good to go. Once we do that, then we go back to our Google Cloud main screen, and we go to IAM and admin. So here we're going to select roles on our left side, hand side, and here we're going to create a new role. The role should be, let's call it push notifications. And we're going to add the permissions that will allow us to create cloud like push notification messages. Let's see this. So the permission that we need is called cloud messaging.messages.create. I'm going to select this, add, and create. Now we are going to go to service accounts and create a new service account. Let's call it push notifications service account. We do create and continue, and here I'm going to select the role. The role should be called should be push notifications that we just created. Continue. It failed, but it worked now. And we're going to do done. And now that our account is here, we're going to get in, go to keys, and we're going to press add key and create new key. And we're going to select JSON for that. And if we click on create, then the JSON is going to be downloaded. And this contains everything that we need in order to send, to authenticate and send push notifications to our devices.